The question is, what are your biggest priorities for innovation in 2021?
So there's two main things that I would say we are looking for the next year. One is truly finding those innovations in construction that could be lowering cost of housing. So when we think of construction tech that's lowering cost of housing, we're looking at any kind of construction technology along the entire construction value chain. So anywhere from the very beginning of conception, when you're surveying the land, finding the land, permitting, then design, then actual building, and at the very end, monitoring. We're looking for specific innovators in those buckets that we could bring into the housing space. So a lot of times we'll find innovators that are not even thinking about the affordable housing space, but that's actually a very big market they could be tapping into. So when it's finding those innovators and engaging them in our space. And the second big one is getting true adoption. So one of the hardest things in the construction industry is that it's incredibly archaic. There's this kind of culture and mindset that we've already done it this way for so long. Why would we change it? There's so much liability and safety issues. Why would we bring in a new innovation and change the way that we've been doing it if it's already working? Well, the issue is that those things that are working in terms of maybe safety and liability, but they're incredibly expensive and causing the housing crisis. And so we want to get massive adoption by engaging developers, governments, NGOs, nonprofits to do proof of concepts with innovations and actually be tracking the metrics of cost, speed, and quality. We think if enough people are, measuring the impact of using technologies by reducing the cost and increasing the speed at which they're building, we're going to get more and more adoption and trust by the sector. And so the two biggest things are that it's finding the innovators and then two, getting more adoption in our sector.